Volcanic Explosivity Index. How do you describe how big a volcanic eruption is? Volcanic eruptions vary widely. They may be brief or long-lasting, explosive or gradual. They may eject a lot of material or very little. The Volcanic Explosivity Index, or the VEI, measures and rates eruptions using two factors: how much material is ejected, called magnitude, and how high into the atmosphere the material travels, called intensity. The VEI is a logarithmic scale that ranges from 0 to 8. In a logarithmic scale, each step is 10 times greater than the one before. For example, an eruption rated 3 is 10 times more powerful than an eruption rated 2. The magnitude of an eruption is a measure of how much material, called ejecta, a volcano produces. Ejecta consists of ash and rocks. Intensity is a measure of how fast the material is injected, which tells scientists how energetic the eruption was. A volcano that produces 250 million tons of ejecta in 24 hours has a higher intensity than one that produces 1,000 cubic feet over a year. More intense eruptions produce taller volcanic plumes. The 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens ejected 500 million metric tons of material in less than 24 hours. The plume was more than 25 kilometers tall. This eruption was rated 5 on the VEI. In contrast, Hawaii's Kailua began erupting in 1983. This volcano produced 6 billion tons of lava, but very little ejecta. Its plumes have never exceeded 100 meters. Its VEI is 0. How often a volcano erupts its frequency is another factor that scientists have considered when measuring VEI. Many eruptions with VEI values of 0 or 1 have happened over the last few thousand years. Eruptions with greater VEI values are rare. The last eruption that was rated an 8 on the scale was the Yellowstone supervolcano, which erupted more than 10,000 years ago.